Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey into the realm of wearable technology with the highly anticipated OnePlus Watch 2. As the wearable tech market continues to evolve, OnePlus has once again raised the bar with its latest offering. Packed with an array of innovative features and boasting a sleek, sophisticated design, the OnePlus Watch 2 isn't just a smartwatch. It's a companion designed to seamlessly integrate into your daily life, enhancing both style and functionality. So, without further ado, let's dive headfirst into our in-depth exploration of this cutting-edge device and uncover how it can truly elevate your everyday experiences. Before starting the video, the buy link is given in the description and you can buy this watch at a discounted price. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss my latest tech reviews. So, let's start the video. First up, let's talk specs. The OnePlus Watch 2 boasts impressive hardware under its hood. Powered by the Snapdragon W5 Plus processor, this watch ensures smooth performance and efficient multitasking. With its 47mm x 46.6mm x 12.1mm dimensions, it strikes a perfect balance between comfort and visibility on your wrist. Plus, weighing in at just 1.73 ounces, you'll hardly notice it's there. Available in radiant steel and black steel, the OnePlus Watch 2 offers options to match your style. And for those worried about durability, it's MIL STD 810H certified, IP68 rated, and can withstand pressures up to 5 atm, making it your reliable companion in various environments. Now, let's talk battery life and storage. In smart mode, the OnePlus Watch 2 can last up to an impressive 100 hours, ensuring it keeps up with your active lifestyle. And with a generous 32GB of storage paired with 2GB of RAM, you'll have plenty of space to store your favorite apps and music right on your wrist. Compatibility-wise, the OnePlus Watch 2 seamlessly integrates with Android 8 and later versions, ensuring a smooth user experience across devices. And with dual-frequency L1 plus L5 GPS, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi connectivity, you're always connected and ready to explore the world around you. Now that we've covered the specs, let's talk about the user experience. The OnePlus Watch 2's intuitive interface and responsive touch controls make navigating through its features a breeze. Whether you're tracking your workouts, monitoring your health metrics, or staying on top of notifications, everything is just a tap away. With a range of fitness tracking modes, including running, cycling, and swimming, the OnePlus Watch 2 helps you stay motivated and achieve your fitness goals. Plus, its advanced health monitoring features, such as heart rate tracking and sleep analysis, provide valuable insights into your overall well-being. In conclusion, the OnePlus Watch 2 delivers on both style and substance. With its sleek design, robust features, and long-lasting battery life, it's a worthy contender in the competitive smartwatch market. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, a busy professional, or someone who simply values convenience, the OnePlus Watch 2 has something to offer. So, if you're in the market for a versatile and reliable smartwatch, look no further than the OnePlus Watch 2. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay tuned for more tech reviews. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next one.